houses, what is there? Carbon monoxides and carbon dioxides are there, and then paints and all आपके यहाँ garbages लगा जाता है, and then your fireplaces are there. There is a lots of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxides. लोग bonfire करते हैं, yes, and especially in the mid latitude countries you can be able to see, like I said, this kind of what unburnt sulfur dioxides, nitrogen oxides. This content will be in larger amount. Gas heaters, and then all these paints and all जो कि हम लोग ये भी करते हैं, सारे क्या है? It's a kind of what? Air pollution in the indoor paints, and these are the termites, dust mites are there in the dogs. They are the carrier, or what is in a dogs, and then cats and all. These are the animals. These are the mites they are carrying. अब ये मैं वाइफ को फोटो दिखाता हूँ, फिर उसको समझ में आता है कि हाँ, तो देखने में डेंजरस लगता है. So wherever it is, I said that randoms which are coming into the soil, and then through this one, it is in nearby houses. Understood? So so we have understood the indoor air pollution. Understood indoor air pollution. Next one, I said that plants. Understood? And then plants are also doing some kind of always some organic compounds that they use to what is through the respiration, giving us into the atmosphere, and that is organic pollutants, which I said that plants are giving us organic pollutants. Next point, I said that petroleum, already you know that. अब ये याद भी रखना है. First I said FF, 2F are there. Yes, remember 2F. Factories, fertilizer. फिर उसके बाद next letter क्या आएगा? I in the alphabets. Understood? Indoor air pollution and mining operation. Sorry, I said that mining operation gives us a what? Mining operations generally क्या देगा मुझे? Particulate matter size, PM. Yes, mining operation will provide us particulate matter size, and if we are doing mining, then it can also give some kind of, I said that methane gases into the atmosphere. Yes or not? Mining give us methane gas, especially in the coal mines. Especially in coal mine, methane gas is there, and thereafter we can be able to see through the mining, जो हम लोग water pollution में पढ़ेंगे, through the mining some of the chemicals which come into the region of what? Nearby water catchment area, river, ponds, lakes, through the नीचे से निकल कर जाएंगे वो लोग. So that is, I said that through the translocation, जब हम लोग water pollution में करेंगे, that will do. So I said that mining operation causing also what is in a particulate matter, लिख लेंगे इसका, and which one I said, methane gases by coal mines, particulate matter and coal mines. हमें जितने भी माइनिंग एरियाज हैं, हमें क्या करना चाहिए? टेल मी, व्हाट शुड आई डू दैट माइनिंग हैज बीन फिनिश्ड, देन व्हाट शुड आई डू? वो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, रिड्यूस ओपन कास्ट माइन. इट हैज बीन ओपन कास्ट माइन, व्हाट शुड आई डू? वो तो डिफॉरेस्टेशन हो चुका है, अब उसको फिल करके एफॉरेस्टेशन करेंगे, उसके रूट्स मजबूत नहीं होंगे, सॉइल उतना नहीं लाया जा सकता है. उसमें हम लोग क्या डालेंगे? जनरली विल डू द व्हाट इज, हाँ, yes, we can make ponds, water catchment, and we should try to convert into better wetlands if it could be. Yes, we should try to convert the open cast mine into which I said that water catchment area and wetland if it could be, with the help of scientific approach. Try to develop, क्योंकि यहाँ पे mineral areas are there, they can be converted into better what water catchment area. So plants, आप लोगों को क्यों? Yes, plants का हो चुका है, they are releasing substances. And petroleum, आप जानते हैं कि petroleum it is in the motor vehicle transportation network and the different kind of what thermal power plants, we are doing combustion of this petroleum fuels, and this combustion of जो आपने कोल में देखा था सब कुछ ये लोग दे रहे हैं, कार्बन एंड देन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, सल्फर ऑक्साइड्स, नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड्स, ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ व्हाट इज न केमिकल पॉल्यूटेंट दे आर गिविंग. यस, लेकिन साथ ही साथ बट इन द combustion of this petroleum we are using also some kind of lead contents into the petrol, and that lead is also coming into the atmosphere again. LEAD, lead, what it is coming? Leads are also coming into the atmosphere. So petroleum fuel से क्या क्या आ जाएगा, just tell me. मेरे से लिखवाया नहीं करें, आपको लगे तो लिख लिया करें. So I said that petroleum fuel को बर्न करने से क्या आएगा, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड देन सल्फर ऑक्साइड्स, नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड्स, एंड व्हाट इट कैन कम. यहाँ पे फ्लाई ऐश वगैरह नहीं होगा, बट क्या होगा, यस टेल मी. हाँ, लेड कंटेंट विल बी देयर, क्योंकि हम लोग कुछ लेड कंटेंट ऐड करते हैं टू रिड्यूस द नॉकिंग, टू रिड्यूस. याद है ना आप लोग पेट्रोलियम को क्या यूज़ करते हैं, टेट्राइथाइल लेड, लेकिन अब इसको रिड्यूस किया जा रहा है. वी आर व्हाट इज गोइंग टू यूज द अनदर टेट्राइथाइल लेड को हटाकर कुछ और यूज़ करने की सोच रहे हैं. अनदर आई सेड दैट पावर लाइन्स, and then generally where the high voltage power lines has been there is an ionization of what, air, ionization of air, and that air is causing, especially it has been found, cancer to the child. This has been found where the high voltage power lines are going on below. If the communities are living, their kids are facing what problem, yes, cancer. It has been analyzed. Power lines, understood. And next one, you know that pesticides we have done in the fertilizer, and another is a radioactive fallout. Which one I said that? Radioactive fallout. In the radioactive, when the some nuclear test is happening somewhere, so I said that they lead to what is giving some kind of particles into the atmosphere. Some particles within the 24 hours fall down, and some particles takes what, some years to and months to fall. Yes or no? So that is in a kind of one of the dangerous situation where you are, it is an air pollution is not limited to any one place. So it is giving in a radioactive fallout, means particulate matter which is going into the atmosphere, they can fall some within a small period of time within the 24 hours. So they can fall. I said that radioactive fallout, particulate matter, it can be within the 24 hours or it can be some months and then years. Understood? Very small hanging particles, or it will be very dangerous for the what is a human being, you must be knowing. So radioactive fallout. So which are we have seen? First, fertilizers. Second, factories, fertilizer dust. इसी में हम लोग ने pesticide we have also seen. And I for indoor air pollution, M for mining operation, P for plants, P for petroleum, P for power lines, P for pesticide, and last में R for radioactive fallout. So which are the causes we have seen air pollution? F for factories, F for fertilizer dust, then I for indoor air pollution, M for mining operation, P से 4 है, plants, then I said that petroleum, then power lines, and then P for pesticides, and then R for radioactive fallouts. ये छोटी सी चीज़ नहीं होती है, tons of gases coming into the atmosphere each year. एक साथ लिख लेंगे आप. What are the effects of the air pollution? What are the effects of air pollution? human effect and the environmental effect.